Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is regarding language tutorial. We are starting with language spoken in Denmark. So guys, do you know what is the language spoken in Denmark? Okay, it is Danish. Danish is the North Germanic language and is the official language of Denmark. Danish is also a part of Indo-European language family. So guys, let's start our journey together. First of all, let's learn to say hello. Do you guys know how to say hello? In Danish, we will say hi for hello. H-E-J, hi for hello. Do you get it? I hope you understood. The next word is I am. I am. In Danish, we will pronounce it as ja. Ja. That is J-E-G-E-R. Ja. Do you get it? Okay, now the upcoming word we are going to say is you are. Y-O-U-A-R-E. You are. In Danish, this can be vocalized as dua. Dua. D-U-E-R. Dua. The next word we are about to say is and. A-N-D. And. In Danish, this can be spoken as oak. Oak. O-G. Oak. The word coming up is yes. Y-E-S. Yes. In Danish, it can be verbalized as ja. Ja. J-A. Ja. So guys, now let's talk to our family members. Come on. For mom, M-O-M, or mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. For mother, in Danish, we can pronounce it as mor. Mor. M-O-R. Mor. For dad, D-A-D, dad, or father, F-A-T-H-E-R. For dad or father, in Danish, we will say it as far, F-A-R, far. The next word we are about to say is son, S-O-N, son. In Danish, it can be pronounced as sun. For daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. For daughter, in Danish, it can be pronounced as data, D-A-T-T-E-R, data. For brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R. For brother, in Danish, it can be vocalized as bua, B-R-O-R, bua. Next word is sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. For sister, in Danish, it can be pronounced as syster, syster. So guys, our first section is completed. I hope you all understood the tutorial. I like to know your feedback, so please comment below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.